Hi everybody, welcome back to Miss Bunny's Quiet Corner. Today I have a different type of book I'd like to share with you, and it's all about foxes. So in this book, it gives you a little activity to do. So we can do this one while we're reading. So can you find these 4 fox photos in this book? So we want to find those photos. All right, let's get started. Foxes. Foxes live around the world. They are members of the dog family. There are 12 kinds of true foxes. The red fox is the most widespread of any fox. Oh, this looks familiar. Yeah, this one here. Foxes have fur and bushy tails. Their ears point up. Their snouts are long and thin. Around the nose, there are many soft black whiskers. Like all foxes, these 2 kit foxes use their whiskers to feel when other animals are nearby. Male foxes are bigger than females. The largest kind of fox is the red fox. It weighs 15 to 30 pounds, 6.8 to 13.6 kilograms. Fennec foxes are the smallest. They weigh about 3.5 pounds or 1.6 kilograms. Fennec foxes have large ears that help them hear better and cool off in hot places. Let's check our photos. Yep, that's another one. Some foxes live in cold northern parts of the world. Some live in dry deserts. Arctic kit, swift, and red foxes make their homes in North America. Fennec foxes live in Africa's Sahara Desert. Deserts, dry lands that receive little rain. Kit, a small kind of Northern American fox, also the general name for a baby fox. Foxes usually eat meat. They hunt more at night than in the daytime. Foxes also eat plants. They will eat eggs, worms, and beetles too. Foxes often pounce or jump on small animals when hunting. Let's check our photos. No, that's not one. So we have these 2 left. A mother fox typically has 4 to 6 kits. They stay in the den with her for the first 2 weeks. They start learning how to hunt after 2 months. Wild foxes usually live 3 to 5 years. The red fox kit will look like its parents in about 2 months. The older Arctic fox kits, opposite these ones here, already look like their parent. That's true, they do. They look very similar. Den, a home that is hidden like an underground space. Foxes may share a home range with family members. However, the red fox lives alone. Foxes sleep outside or in a den. A fox may have many dens inside its home range. A hollow log makes a good hiding place for a fox. Home range, an area of land where an animal finds food and spends its time. A fox goes around its home range. It marks the borders so that other foxes know who lives there. It hunts by itself. It runs fast to chase prey. A red fox's top speed is 30 miles or 48.3 kilometers per hour. The swift fox, one of the smallest northern American foxes, can run as fast as a red fox. Prey, animals that are hunted by other animals. Foxes and their kits may be spotted playing near their den in the wild, or foxes can be seen hunting in their home range. It's also exciting to catch a glimpse of these amazing animals. Arctic foxes are white for the winter and grow brownish-gray fur for the spring and summer. So this one, let's check our pictures. It is this one here. Now we got one more. Fun facts. A group of foxes is called a skulk or a leash. Foxes can hear so well that they are able to hear a rodent digging underground. Foxes that live near oceans eat fish and crabs. Foxes may bury food under leaves or snow to save it for another day. Foxes make about 20 different sounds, including yipping, growling, whimpering, or howling. They can recognize each other's voices. Burrows dug by foxes can have multiple entrances and exits. Burrows are places to sleep, store food, and have kits. Foxes in the same family group will play and wrestle together. A fox's eyes allow it to see in dim light, which is why it's most active at night. And I believe this is our final picture. Let's check. Sure is. All right. Well, that was great. I learned a lot about foxes, and I hope you did too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe and ring the little bell so that we always know when a new book is out. Bye-bye.